In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a YouTube channel on your mobile. First, open the YouTube app. Tap on the icon in the top right corner. If this is your first time creating a YouTube channel and linking it to a Gmail account, it will look like this. If you already have a YouTube account, you will need to switch to account and select the Gmail account. Now I'm going login manually. First, enter your Gmail account. And enter your password and log in it. After logging in, you'll see an interface like this. Next, tap Create a Channel. You will then have three options. Picture. Select and upload your channel image or logo and save it. It will update it to your YouTube profile. Click second option's channel name. Enter your channel name, which channel you want create, and I'm going to create tech channel that I will enter MC World Update channel. Third one is automatically update, based on your Gmail account name. After that, tap Create Channel, and your channel is ready. Wait friends till we still need to update some important settings. Now open your Chrome browser. And type youtube.com in the search bar. You'll see the YouTube interface like this. Go to the top right corner, tap the three dots and select Desktop Site Mode. If you want to receive YouTube notifications, make sure to enable them. Next, click on your YouTube logo in the top right corner and tap the fourth option, YouTube Studio. Once you click YouTube Studio, you will get welcome notifications. Come to left side corner. You will see options like Channel Dashboard, Channel Content, Channel Analytics, Community, and Copyrights. These options will show information after you upload videos. Next, let's go to the settings. On the left side at the bottom corner, click the Settings option. Then select Channel and update your basic information. First, you need to choose your country. And come second one, add your channel keywords for your channel. And come second one, add your channel keywords for your channel. For example, I will enter keywords like MC World, tech videos, tech updates, product reviewing and unboxing, etc., because it's useful searching for your viewers, and save it. Next, again open Settings options. You can leave the general settings unchanged. Once that's done, tap on Advanced Settings. Here you need to update if your channel is made for kids. You need select Yes, made for kids. I am not select that options. I'm not going to create kids channel. I am going to create tech channel. I will select No, it's not made for kids. After that, click Save. Once that's done, again open Settings. Now, let's move to the Feature Eligibility section. You need Enable All. First one is already enabled, and go for E = second one and tap on it. It will asking Verify Mobile Number. Once you click, it will redirect to YouTube channel and ask for Enter Mobile Number. Now enter your phone number. You'll receive an OTP on your registered number. Enter it. And now it's successfully updated. Next, you need enable the third one. Click the third option to enable it. You'll need to update your KYC. This means uploading a 6-second video of yourself or a photo of your PAN card or driving license, or YouTube histories. I will select the second option, click Next, and then it will redirect to your Gmail account. Upload the photo of your PAN card, confirm it will take few hours and YouTube team will check and approved it. After that, refresh the page, or open YouTube Studio, click on Copyrights, options here you can check your copyright details after uploading videos. Next, click the dollar icon to check your revenue. To start earning, you need to complete 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. After that, you'll have the monetization option. YouTube also provides free audio and background music for your videos. You can use this music without any copyright issues. Just tap to play it, select which one you want download. Here a lot of music's available, the go download options and download it and edit your video with background music. Now that we understand the basics of setting up a YouTube channel, I will show you how to upload videos. Open your YouTube app, here your channel is ready to upload the videos. Now create your videos. After that, tap the plus symbol in the bottom middle. You'll see two options, create a short or upload video. If you want to upload a long tutorial video, tap upload video. Since I'm uploading a short, I'll tap create a short. It will redirect to your gallery and you can select the video you want to upload. After that, enter the title of your video and a description. How will enter how to create the YouTube channel because I will going to upload YouTube creating tutorials. For visibility, select public and after that choose no, it's not made for kids. Then tap the upload. Your video is uploading. Once it's done, your video going to upload to YouTube. Once it's uploaded, viewers can easily watch your video. That's it guys. I hope it's useful to you. If it's useful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.